Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I am a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I am out here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley. And we are literally right off of Cheyenne and 95. So Cheyenne runs from east to west. Then we have the 95 coming this way. So we're probably about 3 minutes to the freeway. About 25 to 30 minutes to Harry Reid International. So in this area here, as you can see, these are all bigger lots, individual homes. And a lot of these homes here were built in the early 90s. So this is a corner lot. Now this home has been renovated. Property features 2,758 square feet, 4 bedrooms, total 3 baths, single story. As you can see, there's solar panels right above there. Looks like we have optional RV parking. Now, if you guys are looking for a home that doesn't have an HOA, this is it right here. So as you can see, it sits on a cul-de-sac. There's 4 homes to a cul-de-sac over here. Now, I do want to give a quick shout out. Well, I may have pulled, give me a second here. Yolanda with Simply Vegas. This is actually her listing. Looks like you have a Dish TV or Direct TV. All right, let's go take a look, see what we got. So slightly cracked concrete right here, but as you can see, you have the control joints. That's what it's supposed to do. Looks like we have all new concrete here that's been laid. Takes us out to the back. Very large backyard. Interesting that the panel and the breaker box is on this side. Typically it's in the on the side of the garage. All right, let's come on in now. As we come in, we got luxury laminate flooring. Nice open floor plan, as you can see. A lot of light coming into this house. Show you the plank flooring here. Looks like they added a linear fireplace, electrical. Definitely gives you heat there. Looks like your TV mount's gonna go there. Looks like they added a few puck lights. Nice ceiling fan, orange peel texture. This kitchen island here is probably 5 by 15 feet. Now, the slab here wasn't long enough, so they cut the slab down the middle of the faucet, which they did a great job on that. You have a 2-inch front face. This is a hard composite quartz under-mounted sink. You have 2 pendant lighting here. Kitchen aid appliances. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Then we have our GE microwave. Full overlay cabinets. These are dovetails. Solid wood with some gold trims. And these are actually some pot fillers here. So this has actually been customized. So you got the 2 pot fillers here, or the pot drawers here. Then we have our pantry. Initially right here was your entertainment center at one point. So it probably looks like you're gonna be putting your dining room table here on this side, couple bar stools here, TV mount here, then you have all this extra space. Got the standard 6-panel door. So this is your coat closet, okay. Definitely needs a bumper there. So we have a bathroom. Missing a mirror. Let's go back to the kitchen. Now, if you guys want more information about this property, I have a link in the description below. Nice glass backsplash. Then we have our hood. Double stack. Front load washer and dryer. This is gas. This is our garage. Eight-foot ceilings in the garage, brand new water heater. So it looks like they're just finishing up on this rehab here. Step back in. So we got a couple of bedrooms down this way. Linen closet. We'll have to check out the AC unit to see if those are brand new. Pretty decent sized rooms. So for the casings around the windows here, they actually use marble right there. Six inches on the baseboards, more of a traditional style. This room is pretty much the same here. Definitely need some blinds. I noticed this window right here is a brand new window, vinyl. Let's see if the other one is a brand new. Yeah, that one's brand new too. I wonder if they did all the windows. Okay, so bathroom. This is more of like a galley bathroom. Original cast iron tub. Looks like they recladded everything here. Oh wow, this is actually porcelain on here. Let's turn this off as we come along. This is bedroom number 3. This is a longer bedroom right here. Huge bedroom. This one just has a ceiling fan. Brand new windows. What do we got over here? Let's take a look. So it looks like they just painted over this. So this is the breaker box. You got original casings. This is unique. Your air filters are over here. But then your thermostat is way over here. I think you would have the thermostat here. Coming into the primary, we got original windows here. We're all original windows. Another thermostat right here. So we need to find out if there's 2 air conditioning units. There's your walk-in closet. This might be for his. This is the bigger closet, so this could be for her. His and hers. Your attic access is right there. Pretty high though in that thermostat. Let's take a look at this bathroom. So we have a 24 by 48 inch porcelain tile, 0 threshold. on the floor. And this is a really nice bathroom. You got the soap box, the shower head. And I love how they made this design strip right here. Really nice. So this bathroom, they actually gutted this whole bathroom. You got the vanity. So it looks like this product right here is probably, you can buy this whole set like this with the granite through Lowe's or Home Depot. That looks like a brand new door. Let's turn off this light here. We're gonna go outside. Let's see what they got. You got some new rocker switches on some of them. Some of them are the original rocker switches. I don't know if I told you guys the price of this home. The price on here, $799,000. You got a brand new slide with a casing. You got a brand new rocker switch right here. 6-foot slide. All right. Covered patio. Looks like the exterior of the retaining wall has been painted. A very large lot for sure. Definitely pool-sized lot. Now some of you guys like that larger lot. I mean, look at this. Is this on a septic? Here's your septic lid. Now when it comes to these septics, right, you need to identify this. With the septic, you're doing your inspections, you need to hire somebody to suck out all the doo-doo out of that septic tank, so that way you can have a inspector to actually inspect it. Now, if there is a septic tank, sometimes if you're doing financing, the lenders may require it to be inspected. So that's just something to keep in mind, food for thought. The lot size on here is about 28,314 square feet. Like I said, there's no HOAs. Your annual taxes on here is about $3,300 a year. And if you guys are interested in this home, I'll have a link in the description below. Earnest money deposit, they're asking for $10,000 to lock up this deal into a escrow account. Now the solar panels are actually leased as well, so just keep that in mind. Alright, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna finish up this video here. Oh, you got the old school controller, which is really nice. We're gonna lock this bad boy up and we out of here. Yeah, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to tune in every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on the LV Home Experts Podcast. We talk about real estate and financing. And we always like to bring in guests as well. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.